We are the iOS team. The team members are Lin Zhicheng, Lu Jing, and me, Yin Chaoran. Today we'll introduce an application for ordering food. Let's start. The target audience of this application is restaurant employees and diners affected by COVID-19. By using this app, they can reduce some contact during meals. Let's move on next. The application solves two problems and the influence of COVID-19. This is a solution for restaurants that want to reduce contact with meals. At the same time, it saves labor and reduces restaurant operating costs. And next, compares to other solutions. Firstly, compared with the traditional menu ordering, it reduces the use of labor and saves operating costs for restaurants. Compared with the takeaway method, it doesn't require packaging, so it's more environmentally friendly. In addition, it's avoidable that some takeaway foods have become cold when they are delivered. This method allows diners to enjoy freshly baked food. That's all my presentation, and then Lin Zhicheng will introduce the next part.
Lin. In this presentation, I will talk about how to use our application here. In this application, we have the two parts. One part is staff panel and another part is customer panel. And before we use our application, we should know two codes here. One code is staff code and another code is default code. The staff code can help staff go to the staff panel, and the default code can help staff reset their staff code when they forget the staff code they set before. Okay, let's go to use our application here. In this system, at the beginning of we use the application, the system will ask staff to set the staff code here. Let we set A here and enter, and we can get one successful feedback. And then sometime staff can maybe forget their staff code. So if we enter the setting and enter, and we just enter the default code. This default code is reset free in this application, and we enter the reset free here, and then we can reset our staff code here. Let's set the staff code B, and we successfully feedback we can get. And let's go to the staff panel here, and we enter the staff code we set before. We just enter B here, and we can see free function here and the free buttons. And in the staff interface, we have the add item function and the edit item function and the summary functions. Let's go to the add item function. In this function, we can choose the image from our photo library for this item, and we can also choose its type and type his name, just a burger here, and its price. The price is double type, so we just $11 here, and we scroll down and click the add button, and now we can go to the edit item to see we can have the one item model in our shop database. So if we want to price up, we can click the edit, and we can also change the image from photo library. Now this time we just change the price to $12 here, and we successfully edit, and we click the back, and we can see the price is update now. let's go to the add function and add another item, just drink type and Coke, and the price is free, and scroll down, click the add button, and get a successful feedback, and click OK. And now if you are we can turn to the customer panel. If you are customer, you just enter the 1 2 3 here, and this is placeholder to remind the customer what should they enter. So just 1 2 3 here, enter, and then we can go to the order panel. Here we can see all the item model in the shop, and we can just choose it, and we can choose the spicy or extra taste, just like little spicy and curry flavor, and make the number is 2, right? And we can also add the Coke here, 70 sugar and medium ice, and make the number to the 3. And now the item number is 5. 5 is 2 plus 3. And we can also, if you want to check what you order, you can just click this button, and one new interface will appear, and you can see what you order, and you can also adjust the number here, and you can delete, and you can if you click the back, you will find the number will changed. So just like we can add the burger, medium spicy, curry flavor, and click OK. Now we order the 4 item here, and we just click confirm, and confirm again. So now we can get one receipt about what we order, and the total price here. Now we make the order here, and if you are staff, and you want to check the receipt here, just some orders, you can just go to the enter the staff code, and go to the staff panel, and just click the summary function, and you can see all the order here. And if you want to see the view the detailed orders, you just click the order, and just click view, and you can see the details about this order. And if sometime the customer don't like this and just cancel this order, you just click again, and just click delete, and then the customer the summary is cleaner now. Our application have the two interface. One interface is staff interface, and another one is customer interface. In the staff interface, we can add item, we can choose an image for item, set the name and the price for items, and we can also view all the item we upload in the shop, and we can edit them and delete them, right? And because our application should store all the models, because in our application we should store all the models, item models, and orders in the database. So we have to choose a database system for our application. So we choose the framework is Realm Swift, and we port this framework and installed, and we can get one system, database system. Then we can store all the models and orders in our shop, and we can check anytime, even we close the application. I think the most difficult is the user interaction. For example, in this interface, just order list interface, we have a table view shows the Huawei order, and we can also adjust the number here. And this interface should tells last interface or next interface what customer do. So if I am a customer and I just minus, so the coke is removed from our orders. So this interface must tells to last interface say that the customer deletes an order, delete an item from orders. Please check. So if we click the back, the item number will changed. So this is most difficult. So because customer do in this interface, but the data change should be in last interface. This is most difficult. So how do we address this in code? So we just do a simple things that is in the cell class. We design a protocol here with a function, with delete function, and every time we click the minus, and if the minus is 1 turn to 0, so it will call the delegates function named delete. But what delete method do, and where is its implementation? Its implementation is in the last interface, and here we can see we turn to the last interface, and we can see this controller confirm the delegate protocol and implements the delete function. So this system from the order list interface, and the order list interface tells last interface say that what does the customer do. So you should update the data. I think this is most difficult, but we just take some simple protocol to address this function. So I think the most difficult things is the user interaction, because your code should be let each interface know what customer do, and let the system know what next should be displayed. So each interface must update, each controller should be update their data in time to avoid some mistake. This is interesting application, I think. But at the beginning of this application development, we just want to achieve two simple functions. One is the add item, and one is order item. We make this application step by step. After we finish these two functions, we think we should add more function to make this application more interesting. So we add some more function like customer can get receipt, and this order will record in our database. And for the item, we can edit or remove these some items, and we can change the photos and upload the photos for items. I think this is a very good experience in coding. Although it's a simple application, but we learn a lot of knowledge from this assignment. So we can know how do we address some difficult problem in our job, in our work. So that is a very good experience, I think. This is my presentation. So thank you for listening. Thank you.